get the pen.
No, stand back up.
Good girl. Come get the pen. All right.
Come on.
All right. Look at you. Yay!
Oh, okay.
Yay! Oh, you can stand up.
Come on.
What is Aura doing? What's Aura doing? What's Aura doing? Go get that Aura. Look at you, Aubriana Pearl. Look at you. Oh, yay. Saturday, September 14th.